this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And wow, for the first time in a while, I'm doing a review that is not a, what do you call it? It's not a Zen Pop one, but it is from Japan. This is, by Yamadai, which I always thought was just called New Touch, so it's also by New Touch. They're vegan noodles, Tan noodle soup, and it's in collaboration with a restaurant in Japan known for vegan stuff called Tease. Just tease you with that. There's a sauce, there's a liquid. The noodle block has an interesting look to it. Little hockey puck. And this goes in to the cup. That is the first thing that happens here. And I probably have to put my son in timeout for not listening. He wouldn't like that. But he has succeeded. He will be turning 7 in 2 days, as long as he continues to behave. So there's our water. Here is our lid. And what's crazy is, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Shush! What's crazy for you guys is that it's what, the 23rd of December? I'm pretty sure the last episode I did was, what is it, like 1,592? I always let the number of the review correlate with the last number of the date, so I think it's 1592, and I'm doing 3 today, so 1590, the 23rd, and then the next one will be the 24th, Christmas Eve, and the next one will be the 25th, Christmas, and the Christmas one's going to be a mukbang. Oh my god. Merry Christmas, it's a mukbang, ladies and gentlemen. But that'll come out pretty quick, actually. When I do one, I like it to come out pretty quick, because it's fun, you know, and I want you to see the fun. Don't you want to see the fun? Of course you do. You'd be crazy not to. So, speaking of crazy, we went back to the place where we got our new guinea pig Myrtle. And since it's only a couple days, we're in August, a couple days to my son Miles' birthday, we decided we'd let him name the new guinea pig. So there were 2 guinea pigs and a rabbit. We don't have rabbits as pets. But oh my god. And they were abandoned at a Fred Meyer grocery store out front in the parking lot on a hot sunny day in a cardboard box. And like, temperature changes are really bad for guinea pigs, let alone anybody. Who wants to be in a box in a hot sunny day? Anyways, we got Myrtle, and then it was just like, we should get the other one. I was like, let's get the other one, because you know, they're a pair. They've been through a lot. So being the I want to have as many pets as possible wife she is, she agreed to it, because that was not my thought, you know, let's get another one. So now we have 4 of them, and Miles named the guinea pig. What? Is somebody knocking at the door? You said there's a package? Okay, well, listen for a knock at the door. I'm expecting a package. But yeah, I am expecting a package. I'm expecting 2 now, because one of the nice people on Ramen Junkies is sending me a box with some other stuff that I'll be doing a mukbang of. Spicy new, what do you call it? Bulldog stuff. So that's going to be cool. But anyway, 45 seconds to go until this is done. I went looking at bowls the other day, and I couldn't find any new bowls that I wanted. What I want are bowls that are perfect for something like this. I need smaller bowls. If I've got like a big pillow pack of something with broth, oh boy, like shin, for example. I've got bowls up the yazoo for that. But lately I've been doing a lot of these little Japanese cups and stuff like that, and that's too big for that. I need something shallow and smaller. It's a tricky thing. I want the lighting to be nice, you know. Ooh, hot. A lot of vegetable in here going on. Is that a bean? That is a bean, ladies and gentlemen. That is a bean. All right, so let's put the sauce in here. In this vegetarian, vegan friendly tan. Tan. I want one of these scissors. It never ends to amaze me that like we'll get every once in a while we get a new set of knives for the kitchen, and I got a pretty decent one this time. I got a Cuisinart one, which is funny to say because I say that now. When I was a kid, my mom always talked about the Cuisinart, but it's like I see how it's spelled. It's Cuisinart. It's not lean. It's cuisine. Remember a commercial that's what it sounded like. It's not lean. It's cuisine. Very peanutty. I'm curious if it's going to be at all spicy. I really am kind of scared right now because I do have an egg. Oh, but I got to use that skillet for that. I really am kind of screwed on garnish today. This one's vegan, so I'm just going to use vegetables with it, maybe some sesame seeds and some baby dick. But the next one I should have beef for, and I don't, so I did, but it's in the trash because that's been in the freezer for like forever in Ziploc bags. Nice noodle. Here's our I believe it's a bean. Bean's okay. A lot of vegetable going on in here. There was another styled vegetable. Yeah. What have we here? Cabbage. It's pretty good. I'll leave it at that. It's pretty good. If you come across this one, I'd say if you're in the vegan persuasion, you should give it a try. Or otherwise, yeah, it's interesting and different, and that gets good marks in my book. It's funny though, tan soup. It's very soupy. God, what day was that? That was like Father's Day years ago. That's right. So Father's Day years ago, I had this noodle and I had the bowl and I was pouring it into the bowl next to the computer in, what was I? That was when I lived in Edmonds, Washington. And everything came out kind of just like that, and then the noodle came out and just went sploosh. What's going on there? I don't know. I'm seeing things that I don't normally see in mung bean sprouts, and that's kind of worrisome. That's been a real pain in the butt lately. I was gonna, since we went over to the place that's next to the Wajimaya grocery in Renton yesterday to get the guinea pig, I was gonna just duck into Wajimaya and get some more mung bean sprouts in hopes that they had ones with a good shelf life, but I forgot / it was kind of late in the day already. I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave that be. Look at that mountain of spring onion. It's mountainous. A little bit more, I think. And I think we are going to use some shichimi. Running out of this one. I'm actually going to have to up on shichimi. Little tree like shichimi and spring onion affair there. Yeah, don't fall over. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's an interesting one. This Tea's Restaurant, fancy. This next one is another one we found at the Wajimaya in Renton, Washington. They've got different stuff there that the other Wajimayas don't seem to have. This is Kikkoman Black Pepper. It's a noodle with sauce, noodle kit with sauce. So, like I said, it's supposed to have beef to go along with it, but I'm beefless. I'm beefless in the Seattle area. So we'll do it just with some veg. I think it'll come out pretty interesting. We'll see. And anyways, yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.